Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix heating problem in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start the video friends. First, avoid these mistakes while charging your smartphone. Don't play games or any other activity that will drain your battery life and also heat your smartphone also. Secondly, you can just go to the settings and click on application or apps settings. Tap on here in the search. In the you have to write here Google Play Services. Tap on here. Now you have to click on storage. Now click on clear cache. You can also do clear data also. Then friends, you have to press back, go to applications and select the app that is taking too much storage. Click on there and you have to click on this mobile data and internet. Here it is, mobile data. Turn off this background data usage. When you are not using your smartphone, it will not use background activity, so it will not consume much battery to heat your smartphone, so you have to turn it off. Then friends, you have to turn off automatic updates in your Play Store or system updates. I show you how you can turn it off. So first you have to open your profile, scroll down, click on settings, click on about. Here it is, network preference. You have to just turn it off from don't auto update apps. If there is an update, you have to update it from the manual. Then click on settings, scroll down and here it is software update. So it will show the latest software here. So you can see it is updated right now, and this is how you can fix your heating problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.